We are back with another style video, and I'm super excited about this one because today we're talking about style formulas. If you're new here, hi, my name is Michaela Pabone. I am your 48-year-old homegirl here to share the real, raw, and relatable moments of life in a little style because I want everybody to look good, feel good, and know that you can pursue your dreams at any age. If that sounds good to you, keep watching, subscribe, like this video when you are done watching, and let's get started. Okay, like I said, we are talking about outfit formulas today. And I really think this is an easy way to save your time, save some effort, save your brain power because, we get in our 40s and all this stuff starts happening. So we need to save some of that with these outfit formulas, okay? What I really love about it is that it's one formula, but you can change it up with the accessories, with the color, with the prints. You can do so many different things with these outfit formulas. I'm going to share 5 today. I may share more later, but these are my favorite 5 outfit formulas that I swear by, that I wear all the time, and I think, they will be very helpful for you in getting dressed, shopping, or even searching your closet because you probably already have some of this stuff, similar stuff in your closet already. Okay, first up, we are talking about what I like to call the Effortlessly Chic formula, and that is printed sets that you can dress up or down at any time to any event, to work, to the grocery store, anywhere you need to go, you can wear a printed set. And I love them because they're perfect for vacation as well. So you can really round out your whole wardrobe with 2 or 3 printed sets. Plus, the different pieces can be worn in so many different ways. That's another video for another day. First, I'm going to show you a Dressed in Joy set. So this is my brand. I'm a designer for a brand called Dressed in Joy. This set is in some really beautiful colors. It's got the chartreuse on top and then it goes ombre to a deep purple. And these colors look so good together. And when you put the set on, I'm talking joy from head to toe because the colors are so beautiful. The colors are so vibrant and it just makes you feel good. I feel like that's everything that I design makes you feel like that. But this especially because the colors are just so vibrant and you will never not get noticed in something like this. What I love about a matching set is that you can really style this so many different ways, the same set. You can throw a jacket on over this. You can style it with heels. You can style it with sneakers. You can change up your handbag to make things look a little bit different. Wear different accessories, necklaces, bracelets, earrings, that sort of thing, and it will completely change the whole vibe of the look. I also really love printed suits. So I know that's not something everybody has in their closet, but if you can find a printed suit, especially like a lightweight summer one, those are so great because a blazer can be worn in so many different ways. This particular suit is velvet. It's a few years old from Farm Rio, and I just love that the colors are so vibrant and it's so much fun. And you can see I'm wearing it with sneakers here, which you can do. You can wear it with sneakers, you can wear it with heels, and either way, it's gonna look fly. I talked about this before, but wearing matching sets on vacation is also one of my favorite things, especially if the top is kind of longer and it's flowy and I have that movement. The wind is blowing, child, and listen, you can't tell me nothing, okay? I love a good printed matching set for vacation because, again, you can take a piece off, you can just wear the pants with your swimsuit, you can, wear the top by itself, it's a long dress. There's just so many options, and this is my effortlessly chic formula to look fly without having to think too hard. Okay, let's move on to number 2, and that is a statement dress. What I really like to do with statement dresses, though, is wear something over it. I know you're probably thinking, why wear something over a dress if it's a statement dress? But sometimes I like the extra coverage. I have a little menopause belly going on here. So I like to wear something over my dresses sometimes to give me that extra comfort to make me feel good. So this particular dress, again, is a Dressed in Joy dress. And what I love to do with this is wear a super oversized statement coat with it because that just brings the whole look to life. As if the dress isn't enough, but then you put a statement coat over it and when I tell you you can do this so many different ways. So I'm going to wear not a statement coat, but an oversized blazer with it. And again, it's the same feel of a tighter dress with an oversized piece on top of it. And that formula can go, you can do it over and over and over again, whether it's a blazer, an oversized blouse, an oversized denim shirt, um, an oversized jacket, a coat. There's just so many different ways to do this same look over and over and over again where it doesn't get boring. It's not repetitive because maybe it's a different dress and a different jacket or the same dress and a different jacket. I'm telling you, so many different ways. Okay. Now let's move on to my elevated casual look, which I'm kind of wearing right now. I like to wear a nice pair of joggers with a fitted top, whether it's this is a tank top or maybe something long sleeve, and I'll put that with either an oversized top or a blazer, and then some heels. So easy, and you can do that so many different ways. The reason I really love these particular ones is because they're wide leg joggers. They're so comfortable. I hate that they don't have pockets. That really sucks, but the color is perfect. The length is perfect for me to wear heels with. I can also just pull them up a little bit higher and wear sneakers if I wanted to do that. But yeah, this elevated casual is like the perfect way to still feel super comfortable, but also add that little element of style that you can do over and over and over again. Okay, now let's move on to my fourth formula, and that is the bold and balanced formula. And this one, kind of my favorite, I'm not gonna lie. I really love a pair of printed pants, obviously, because pretty much all my clothes are printed, but or bright colors. This one, you can really do so many different ways. I love a pair of tailored trousers, ones that aren't too tight in my stomach area and my hip area. I love pants that just kind of fit and flow as opposed to something that's going to be, when it comes to trousers, something that's going to be tight all the way. That just doesn't feel comfortable or stylish for me. So I really prefer to wear a pair of pants that is a little bit more tailored, that fits my body a little bit looser, where it's not super tight. And this pair is again from Dress to Enjoy. I mean, come on. It's a leopard pair, and they're made out of a really nice, thick cotton. And what I love about these pants is because it's leopard, obviously it's going to go with anything, but if you just throw this on with a solid white top, really can't go wrong. And that's the part of this formula is bold and balanced. You want to do a solid piece and a printed piece together. And it could be a white top with printed pants like this, or you could do colorful top with a pair of printed pants. And that's going to be your same bold and balanced look. So as long as it's solid and printed together, also keep in mind that, like I said, the fit of your pants is going to be really important when it comes to this look and looking your most stylish self. So try not to opt for pants that are too small. Try not to opt for pants that are going to be fitting too tight in this area. You could also opt for a solid bottom with a printed top. This is a pair of white pants. Um, I love these white pants so much. They just fit so perfect. They're from Zara a few years ago. By the way, I will try to link as many things as possible that are similar. A lot of my clothes are old, but I will link as much as I can, and also all of my Just Enjoy pieces as well. But yeah, so these white pants are from Zara, and this is a really old Peplum top from Nasty Gal, but I love that it's, like, so oversized, and it's supposed to fit like this. I didn't buy in a bigger size or anything, but the sleeves are just so full and billowy, and then it's got the peplum, and it goes so well with these white pants. So this is what I mean when I say balanced, bold and balanced, because, I've got the bold piece, which is this standout blouse, and my balance is the white pants on bottom. And my last formula is a work to weekend formula. So think of this as, again, the same type of tailored pants or trousers that fit really well, or a pair of high waist jeans that also fit well. They come up and they fit well. Maybe they're a little bit flared on the bottom. And you want to do that with a blouse. I personally like to half tuck. I tuck one side in and have the other side hanging, or I do a front tuck only. Very rarely will I wear the whole thing out. It just feels a little too unstructured when I do it that way, but half tuck for sure, front tuck for sure. I think they call that a French tuck. This look is a pair of Zara jeans. You may not be able to wear these to work because it has the holes, but these are my absolute favorite jeans from Zara. And this is one of my Just Enjoy blouses that I ordered in one size up. Usually I'm a large. I ordered this in an extra large because I like the way it fits, especially with the way that the pants fit. They're nice high waist and they fit well through the hips and the waist. And paired it with this blouse, it's perfect, okay? This is, like, such a perfect look, and you can do this over and over and over again. Different blouse, different jeans, same blouse, so many different ways, and I know that y'all have some jeans in your closet. I know you have some blouses in your closet, like, pull that stuff out. Pull that stuff out and wear it together. Do your little half tuck, grab your clutch, put on some heels, and like you got a fly outfit, I promise. Another thing that I've really been into is the barrel jeans. So again, these are high waist for me. I bought them from Amazon. I will link them below, but these are so cute and I love that I can wear them with heels. I can wear them with sneakers. And honestly, just throwing this on with a plain white blouse and a blazer, this is so simple. You can't even mess this up. There's no way to mess this look up. I'm going to stick with this white blouse and show you that you can also do the same thing with a solid colored pair of pants. So this is a pair of magenta pants got years and years ago from Zara that I absolutely love. You can see it works with just same formula, white blouse and trousers. You can also go with a denim shirt like I'm wearing now. I love an oversized denim. I bought this shirt 2 sizes bigger than usual because I really love the oversized look of it because you can do so much with this. I can also wear this with my white pants, which I've done several times, but I've also paired this with the white trousers and I have a slip dress that's a little bit oversized. And I wore the slip dress as a top, but because it's oversized, I was able to kind of blouse it out really cool. And I put the oversized denim shirt over that, and it was like such a perfect look. I wore this to see The Wiz last year for my birthday, and so many compliments on this outfit, I'm telling you. It's really all about playing with your colors, playing with the prints, using these very, very simple outfit formulas and mixing and matching the pieces. So you're putting the same pair of jeans with a different blouse each time, or the same style of jean with a different blouse every time. You want to wear your trousers, you can wear your trousers with a different blouse or different style of blouse, or with a printed blouse one time and a solid color blouse another time. There's just so many different ways to take these 5 formulas and wear them over and over and over again. And you can do things like add a coat over it when it's fall or winter. You can change up your accessories, adding more bracelets. I wear glasses, so I change up my glasses, change up my earrings and my necklaces. I wear different types of shoes, whether it's a colored shoe, a printed shoe, a boot, a bootie, um, different kind of handbag. There's just so many different ways, guys, I'm telling you. So I want you to go look in your closet, see what you have, and try and pull things out that you can pair together in ways that you haven't in the past. If you have that oversized blouse, I want you to try that with your pair of high waist jeans. Untuck one side, put on a pair of heels, get your clutch, and I'm telling you, you are going to look so good. Try these. Please let me know in the comments if you try them, how you feel, what you love. I am so excited to hear your feedback on this. So if you found this helpful, please give me a thumbs up and comment to let me know which one you're going to be trying. And come back for my next video. I love doing these style videos for you guys. If you have any style questions that you want me to answer, please let me know in the comments. I will answer as many as I can. And thank you for watching. I'll see y'all next time.